In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detect students cheating on Google Forms in just 5 minutes. This process involves a few steps, so let's dive right in. First, open up Google Drive in your favorite web browser. Google Drive is both a storage and collaboration platform, and it's here that we can access all our Google apps, including Forms. Now that you're in Google Drive, look towards the upper right corner for the Google Apps icon. It's a small grid of dots. By clicking on this icon, a list of your available applications appears. The next step is to click on Forms. Google Forms is specifically designed for creating surveys and quizzes, among other things, and this is where we can manage our quiz forms. Once you are in Google Forms, select the quiz form you want to use. If you've previously created a quiz, you'll find it here. Choose the form by clicking on it. This will open up the quiz so that you can make any necessary adjustments. With your form open, we need to enhance it a bit by adding some functionality. Look for the Add-ons button. This is represented by a puzzle piece icon near the top of the screen. Clicking here will open a marketplace of different enhancements you can add to your form. What we want to find is the Form Presenter plus Timer add-on. So type that into the search bar, and when you find it, click to install it. Installing this add-on is straightforward. Simply follow any prompts provided. This tool gives you more control over when and how the form can be filled out, adding a timer and additional options to deter cheating. After installing the add-on, you should see an option to set it up. Go ahead and click on Setup. This will open up a menu where we can configure our form to better ensure test integrity. Next, navigate to the time control section. Here we can set strict time limits for quiz completion, serving as a deterrent to cheating. Adjust the timer settings based on the length of your quiz and the time you believe is reasonably needed for students to complete it. Additionally, you can set a specific start time and end time for the quiz. This ensures that the form is only available during a predetermined period, so make sure they align with your class schedule or assessment plan. Moving on, click over to the Action Control section. Here you can enable or disable various features depending on the level of security or control you need over the form. Make your selections based on how strictly you wish to monitor the quiz. A final note is to remember that this particular add-on comes with a paid plan. If you opt to use all of its features, be aware that there may be costs involved. And there you have it, a straightforward way to help maintain the integrity of your quizzes on Google Forms. Follow these steps and you'll be set to better monitor and control student activity during assessments. Thanks for watching and good luck with your quizzes.